everyone. My name is Alvis Meredith, and this is Tahiano's Weche, and we own the Tahiano label. And we're also the designers for Tahiano label. We're originally from Samoa, and Hans is part Tokelaun as well. And this is our first time for the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show, and we're honored to be here.
So, Tahiano is a Tokelaun name. When we were looking for a label name, and I said, oh, my name is Tahiano, what does that sound like? And it's Tokelaun, and he was like, yeah, let's go with Tahianos. We were hiding under a rock, trying to make money to fund our passion. So we've been just working for the last 100 years, and now we'll be able to fund our passion and our label. In Samoa, with the limited resources that we have in fabric, that we can produce high street market garments, and you'll be able to see that with the gowns and some of the shirts that we've made. We've made one wedding gown, like a tailor-made wedding gown, and we're already fully booked until May next year. So that speaks volume that, you know, we've reached our goal, and we have identified what's the gap in the market, which is that niche market.
Having people see what we have come up with, that's the exciting part. And just to see the model expression, how they love the garments, that's more than enough for us.